Hey everyone, welcome to your energy meditation and oracle card reading. This is Lauren with the Clarity Cure. Welcome back. Okay guys, we're going to dive right in. What's really interesting, you received the heart chakra energy card again. Overall, this is what needs to be focused on. This is what we need to heal today. And I believe we got this last week too. So this energy is here for us to really open our hearts, really heal what pain has been really holding us back in our life. Okay, so 3 chakra wisdom for you. I also pulled an extra oracle card and you received crown chakra. And that makes sense because you have despondence and that's purple. That's your crown chakra. Pay attention to your ideas as they are messages of true divine guidance sent in answer to your prayers. But it's really interesting because when you look at despondence, this is about not being able to take action. This is being blocked. You see how this gray cloud is above her head and her arms are up and she's trying to get past this pain or being blocked from the universe. Ooh. So we're going to clear that today. We're going to clear this gray stagnant energy, this cloud like hanging over you. It definitely has something to do with feeling rejected in life, rejected for your work. You can see, this is really cool. You can see this gray color with rejection is actually the same color above her head. So definitely many of you could be feeling, and may not even realize that the issues that you're dealing with that are blocking your heart are because of rejection. And you can almost see, look at all these faces. It's almost like this person is haunted by past memories or being stagnant, not being able to move forward because they can't get out of their own way because they're blocked. They're blocked because they haven't dealt with the pain that they incurred through their heart, right? So very, very interesting. Now, your 3rd chakra wisdom card is joy. And this is the solar plexus. So we have heart, overall energy, your crown chakra, and now your solar plexus. So this is a great card to get. It reminds me of the Fool card, taking a leap of faith. But the only difference here is that she's already landed. She already took that leap of faith. And she landed, and you can see she's coming up, and in complete joy that she made the change that she needed to do in her life. Her heart is open. She's moving forward. This is great. Whatever's been stopping you from moving forward, baby, we're going to work on that today. We're going to open your heart. We're going to open all these chakras for you to have a chance to kind of really see within yourself, like, okay, now I understand, okay, and I want to now move forward. We all deal with rejection from time to time in our life. However, we don't let it stop us from moving forward, and that's, I know, maybe easier said than done. Feeling haunted by our own feelings of self-worth, or what the opinions of others, and that's what I'm seeing here. See these people, they're like, like all in your shit and all in your face, So we're going to say bye-bye to those people because they're clouding your judgment. They're clouding the energy that's trying to come in through your crown chakra to give you the wisdom to take this leap of faith, my friend, and land with the flowers and now be able to move forward in joy. Crown chakra, oh wow, we got many chakras here, so we'll do them all today, okay, just to play it safe. In your past, you have the Star card, three tarot for you, by the way. So Star card is you had a dream and a hope and a vision. And you prayed upon it. You asked for it. At one time, maybe it was a far-off dream. Okay, but you can see how the universe is blessing her with this opportunity. It's almost like this is a kite, like she's flying a kite, asking for her dreams to come true. This could be anything in your life, whether it's a relationship or something to do with personal self-development or a project or a job or anything, okay? Now, in your current position, you have the Page of Swords. So this is sunny. This is like, I feel like a lot of this joy energy might be coming in for you if you take this leap of faith. Page of Wands is the journey to the truth, your truth, being able now to move forward, learning something new. You see how she's studying. Sorry, guys, I have all my windows open. That was scary. And a big breeze blew through. And I'm like, what is going on? Anyway, Page of Wands is our mental energy, getting mentally prepared to create the change that we want in our life, because maybe we need to study, maybe we need to take a class. There's something going on here where great ideas are going to be coming in for you, and that was definitely here with the crown chakra as well. Okay, being able to focus on the mental energy by opening this crown, and as soon as we do that today, wow, I think all of a sudden you're going to have a major breakthrough here. Wow. Very, very exciting. Very, very nice. And your final outcome is the Knight of Wands. And didn't we have this last week too? I don't know. The weeks are kind of rolling together here for me. But the Knight of Wands is great action. Finally being able to move forward, just like the Joy card. This could be even an opportunity coming in. For those of you that might be looking for a job or to advance in your career or get started or finish a project that you've been working on. The Knight of Wands, boy, this is taking action, you know, where you were stagnant here, right? Not being able to find your vision. All of a sudden, you're gonna be able to get focused and move forward. So that's really, really exciting, guys. I love this energy for you. I mean, it's so nice to see that we're moving from this despondent, rejected kind of energy into joy and manifestation and ideas and putting them all together and moving forward. So let's get comfortable. Okay, you can sit lotus style, Indian style on the floor, or you can sit in a chair. Just make sure your feet are flat on the ground so we can, you know, make sure that we're processing the energy correctly. And spine straight. Okay, and we're going to move our hands into prayer posture so we can focus and bring our energy into our palms. Let's take a few deep breaths in and out, in and out, in and out. Calming our mind with our focus between our palms. Releasing stagnant energy through the breath. Coming to center, giving yourself 10 minutes to treat yourself with self-love and care. Okay, now I want you to tap your fingertips. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And rub. Let's cultivate this beautiful chi that's coming down from heaven. Get centered. And we're going to connect to the energy line of the global consciousness, of God consciousness. Down through the top of our heads. Down through our third eye. Our throat chakra. Our heart chakra, our solar plexus, our sacral chakra, and our root chakra. Bring that energy down through your legs, out the bottom of your feet, and plant yourself firmly on Mother Earth. Imagine you have roots growing out of the bottom of your feet, and they're digging into the soil of the universe, grounding you in place. Okay, let's tap our fingers again. Let's rub our hand. Let's shake. Let's get the energy moving. Let's make sure we're connected. Okay, we're bringing in fresh energy from the universe. Okay, we'll come back to prayer posture, and now I slowly want you to separate your hands I want you to notice if you're feeling any tingly feeling, any magnetic feeling. That's your energy body, guys. This is your energy. You can breathe normal. If you feel like you need to take a breath and breathe out, do that. All right, guys, so we're going to bring this energy, this cultivating energy that we have in between our palms to our crown chakra. We're inviting the energy in to open our crown. Okay, now we can place the energy at the top of our heads, inviting the universe to open our crown chakra to receive our enlightenment of our ideas, to get out of our own way, to get out of our funk. We've been blocked, not being able to feel connected. Okay. Feel the energy permeating your crown chakra, opening it to receive the wisdom that you need. We're going to bring this energy now down through the third eye. Hold it there for a minute. Open our pineal gland. Now down through our throat chakra. We're going to open our throat chakra to speak our truth. Hold it there for a moment. Now bring this energy down into your chest, your heart chakra. I want you to imagine there's green energy filling your heart chakra, removing any blockages of rejection, of dealing with fear, low self-esteem, feeling not good enough. And I want you to imagine you are releasing this energy. Grab this energy and release it. Grab this negative energy from your heart chakra and actually release it outside of your energy body and imagine it's going down the drain. Coming back to center. I want you to face your palms to your heart chakra. Sending yourself love, unconditional love. Telling yourself, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, I'm doing my best, I'm releasing my pain, I'm giving it away today, I'm opening my heart to receive the universal connection that I want so badly, to grow my soul, to be connected on a very deep level where I resonate with my own truth, so I can move forward, get past this hurdle, get past this pain, open the door for new experiences, and jump into my joy. Okay, now we're going to move down to the solar plexus, and we're going to connect with that joy that we felt in the card, right? I want you to imagine you're taking that leap of faith like you're just doing it, okay? You're not going to be the fool and stand up on that cliff like looking down, okay, am I going to do this? You're doing it. You did it. You already did it. And you're collecting your joy. You're connecting with your happiness. Beautiful. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Whatever self-esteem issues, we're going to release any negative energy, not only outside the body, but imagine we're bringing this negative energy down through the chakra system, and we're going to release anything negative out the bottom of our feet. Okay, so now we're moving into the sacral chakra. We got some fire energy here with the Knight of Wands. We're going to connect to this being able now to move forward. Lighting a fire in our belly helps us to move forward and take action. Throwing despondence out the door, like forget it. We got it. We're moving forward. Bringing your energy now down to your root chakra, anchoring yourself deeply with the connection with Mother Nature, Earth, feeling the divine presence. I want you to imagine now, palms on the top of your hands, that this energy is now releasing through your legs and out the bottom of your feet, what doesn't serve you anymore. Okay, now we're going to collect this beautiful God energy from the universal consciousness up over the top of our heads, down through our chakra system. Okay, collect the energy that we just cultivated it. And we're going to take this fresh, beautiful new energy and bring it through. Some of you may feel the actual opening of your chakras. Rising up, collecting the energy. Oh, baby. Down through your third eye, throat, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, palms facing up. Bring them back to prayer posture and bow. Oh, that felt amazing. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. I hope you felt the opening of your heart. Keep practicing. This is the best way to release pain that you get frustrated about or you can't get past. This is so effective to connect to the body. Do through the body-mind connection to heal yourself and create change, vibrational change in your life, because we have to resonate higher. Consider the frequency of how heavy you feel keeps you bound down in earth, right? So this is why you've been blocked, because you have not been able to see the forest for the trees through some kind of idea of rejection or pain that you're dealing with that's in your heart chakra. So I hope that this helped you guys. Get ready to kick some fanny, take some names. There's a new offer or opportunity coming in here for you because you put your nose to the grindstone. I think you're going to feel better. Page of Wands is also now being able to move forward. It's divine timing too. So there's some kind of sense of a new message coming in for you that's going to kind of bring you into this fiery energy to finally be able to move forward and feel amazing about what you're doing. All right, guys, so amazing. God bless you. I'm going to wish you all the best, and we'll see you next week. Take care. All right, bye-bye.